Hi guys, so today we're gonna make something that's gonna keep us nice and cool in this hot weather. We're gonna make some strawberry lemonade. So for your ingredients, you're gonna need some fresh strawberries, some juicy lemons, water, and sugar. We're gonna make our simple syrup, and this is gonna sweeten our lemonade. So you're gonna take your sugar and your water, and we're gonna almost bring this to a boil. You want to make sure the sugar is fully dissolved. Right when it starts to boil, you want to go ahead and cut it off and set it aside to cool. Next, we're going to start working on our lemons. A quick tip, if you want to get your lemons nice and juicy, stick them in the microwave for a couple of seconds and then roll them out. That'll start to release all those juices for you. Now to squeeze my lemons, I'm using this 2-in-1 lemon lime squeezer from Zulay. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. They sent this to me for a review. It has a lifetime money back guarantee. Here it is in all its brightness. You guys, I love this lemon squeezer. I love the fact that it has two little chambers. That middle piece catches all the seeds so you don't have to fish them out at the end. I love the fact that it has a big handle so I can grip it. I have rather large hands. My mom is 6'1", I'm only 5'3". Somehow I got her big hands. But yeah guys, this is my old one. I'm so ashamed, but I had to show y'all. But this claims to get every last drop of juice, and it 100% does. I love it. So if you guys would like to get one, go ahead and check out the link in my description box. So now it's time to take our strawberries and our lemon juice. We're going to get those going into the blender. You want to blend until it's nice and smooth. So now it's time to throw everything together. We're going to take our simple syrup, our strawberry puree, and 6 cups of cold water. You guys, this is some of the best strawberry lemonade I've ever had. This is a great recipe. I'm going to be using it all summer. It's so nice and refreshing, and it's not too sweet. It's nice and tart. It's heaven in a glass. Yum.